With the recent Beirut explosion that took place on the 4th of August 2020, we have all been wondering if something that huge is even possible. And from what we all saw, it sure is, and in fact there are many more explosions like it that took place, even bigger explosions and with various different causes. Here we are going to give you a list of explosions including both of nuclear and non-nuclear causes. Starting off the list with the non-nuclear explosions, we have the Tianjin explosion, China. A huge and a tragic series of explosions took place in a warehouse in a port city of Tianjin, China, located 75 miles southeast of Beijing on the 12th of August 2015. This explosion killed over 170 people, injuring more than 700. Investigations found that the fire and the explosions were caused by the illegal storage of thousands of tons of hazardous chemicals including nitrates, flammable materials and toxic compounds contained at the station. San Pablito Market explosion, Mexico. A fireworks factory in the San Pablito Market in Tultepec, North Mexico exploded on the 20th of December 2016. The series of explosions reportedly killed at least 40 people and injuring dozens. Sadly, another explosion happened again in 2018, taking the lives of at least 24 people. Gas station explosion, Mexico. On September 19, 2012, the Pemex gas station blew up into fires to the point where people had to crawl for their lives. This explosion took the lives of more than 25 people, injuring dozens. Fortunately, the workers were able to contain the fire before it could spread to the massive tanks of a neighboring gas processing plant. Tlahuelilpan, Mexico. Another blast in Mexico took place on the 18th of January 2019. Reports say at least 73 people were killed. This explosion was said that it was a gas heist gone wrong as fuel thieves ruptured a pipeline. 74 people were injured, and this was known as one of the deadliest incidents to hit Mexico. Firework factory explosion, Denmark. On the 3rd of November 2004, a massive blaze was seen in a firework factory in Seest Kolding, Denmark. More than 350 buildings, including homes of people, were destroyed. This explosion killed one firefighter and injured around 50 people. Witnesses told reporters that the whole incident looked like a moon landscape. China's electronics factory explosion. Another one in China was the explosion of the Shenzhen electronics factory, injuring 3 people. The cause is still unknown, but the explosion was huge. One more in China was the explosion at the Jiangsu Tianjiayi Chemical Company, located on the outskirts of the city of Yancheng in Jiangsu province in March 2019. This explosion killed 64 people and was believed to have caused a tremor equivalent to a magnitude of a 2.2 earthquake. Texas City disaster. The biggest of all the non-nuclear explosion is the one of an industry, the SS Grand Camp, located in Texas. On the 16th of April 1947, a cargo was seen to emit smoke, and that was the start leading to a big boom. The blast set off a chain of fires, taking the lives of more than 500 people and injuring more than 4,000. Now we have the nuclear explosions. It obviously started with the Big Bang, and ever since there were a lot of other massive booms. The intensity of these explosions will be measured in the trinitrotoluene or the TNT equivalent. Hiroshima. On the 6th of August 1945, when Japan refused to surrender, an atomic bomb called the Little Boy was dropped in the city of Hiroshima, Japan, exploding with a power of 15,000 tons of TNT and killing 80,000 people immediately. Many people were blinded by the light of the explosion, while the rest of the city was annihilated. Trinity explosion. This was the world's first nuclear explosion and took place on the 16th of July 1945. To beat the Germans, the US recruited a number of extremely smart scientists, which led to the beginning of the Manhattan Project. They created a bomb called the Gadget and dropped it in the desert or the Trinity site of New Mexico, which caused an explosion with a power of 20,000 tons. Nagasaki. The same design of the gadget led to the creation of another atomic bomb known as the Fat Man, which was dropped in Nagasaki on August 9, 1945. This bomb exploded with a power of 22,000 tons, killing 40,000 people immediately. The number of casualties went up over time. Moving to way bigger explosions, we have the Soviets test number 158 and 168. These two tests were held over the Novaya Zemlya region of Russia, an archipelago to the north of Russia near the Arctic Ocean, on August 25th and September 19th, 1962 respectively. Both atomic bombs caused a 10 megaton explosion. Ivy Mike. On 1st November 1952, the US tested a hydrogen bomb which they named Ivy Mike over the Marshall Islands. This was the world's first hydrogen bomb and had a yield of 10.4 megatons. It was so powerful that besides the 164-foot-deep crater that it left, it vaporized the Elugelab Island where it was detonated. Castle Romeo. With a yield of 11 megatons, this nuclear detonation was conducted by the US in 1954. This was the first device to be tested on a barge over open water instead of on land, as the US was quickly running out of islands upon which it could test nuclear weapons. This blast would have set fire to everything within 4.5 square kilometers. Up next is the Soviet test number 123, which was tested on the 23rd of October 1961. This was conducted over Novaya Zemlya and its yield was 12.5 megatons. A bomb of this size would incinerate everything within 5.5 square kilometers and cause third-degree burns in an area of 3.3 square kilometers. Castle Yankee. This is another one of the Castle series. Occurring on May 4, 1954, this bomb was 13.5 megatons due to the enriched fuel inside the device. It was so big that its fallout reached Mexico City even 4 days after its explosion. Castle Bravo. This is the first of the Castle series and was detonated on the 28th of February in 1954. It became the largest of all the US nuclear blasts. It was initially thought to be 4 to 8 megaton, but instead exploded, producing a 15 megaton blast. This resulted in the irradiation of more than 600 inhabitants of the Marshall Islands. Tunguska event. Bigger than Trinity was the explosion that took place on the 30th of June 1908. This occurred over the Tunguska River with an explosion that was equivalent to 15 megatons of TNT. Acres of land was wiped off, but the actual cause is still unknown, although some sources say that the explosion may be due to a small asteroid hitting the Earth. Soviet tests number 173 and number 174. On September 25th and 27th of 1962, these two hydrogen weapons were tested over the same location of Novaya Zemlya. Both yielded a 20 megaton blast. These were airdropped and detonated at an altitude of 13,000 feet. Underwater nuke test. On July 26, 1946, the US military tried a new type of nuclear test. A joint Army-Navy task force had suspended a nuclear device named Helen of Bikini 90 feet below the surface of the water in the middle of Bikini Atoll, a land that make up the Marshall Islands. This yielded a blast of around 21 kiloton, which destroyed dozens of target ships. Soviet test number 219. This was the second largest nuclear test in history and was again conducted by the Soviets and took place on Christmas Eve of 1962. This was a thermonuclear fission bomb yielding 24.2 megatons and had a destruction radius of around 10 kilometers. This was the last atmosphere test conducted by the Soviet Union. Tsar Bomba. With an equivalent yield of both the bombs dropped in Hiroshima and Nagasaki, on the 30th of October 1961, the largest man-made nuclear detonation went off. It was detonated above the Sukhoinos Cape on Savani. It was estimated that the bomb produced about 58 megatons of TNT. The blast broke windows located 901 kilometers away, and the flash of the light from the blast was visible up to 997 kilometers away. Besides the mishaps, nuclear explosions and the nuclear tests, we also have the volcanic eruptions. Mount Tambora of Indonesia erupted on April 10th of 1815, unleashing an equivalent of 800 megatons of TNT, which means it was 15 times more powerful than the Tsar Bomba. 10,000 people died, with more than 70,000 people injured, and there was no summer the next year. Lastly, we have an honorable mention of the KT extinction event. Also known as the Cretaceous Tertiary event, this took place over 66 million years ago when an asteroid of 8 to 10 miles long collided with Earth, creating a Chicxulub crater which is now called the Yucatan Peninsula. This explosion yielded an equivalent of 98 teratons of TNT, which is a whole lot of Tsar bombas, causing the extinction of more than 75% of life on Earth, ultimately killing the dinosaurs. Thanks for watching guys, and hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons in order to support us, and let us know your opinions in the comment section below.